Clarence Boar and welcome to my video resume. I am currently a student from Adlai National High School. I am really passionate about vlogging and going on adventure. My biggest dream is to become a vlogger so I can showcase my talent on social media for my future life and so I can help my family give them a better life. That's what motivates me. Keep learning, improving, and believing in myself. Thank you for watching resume video. I am Clarence, a student dreamer and ready to face every challenge with passion and determination. Bye. Thank you.